Vergara. Into rebound by Quasa. Give to Rosas. 17. Calaguas all the way. Malakas rebound sa kanya pa rin. Lebron. Give to number 17. Oh! May technical ball. Clapping. Technical number 7. Technical. Technical free throw award ito Lebron. Pasok po. Substitution rep. Score po natin 19-17. 1 minute 35 seconds. Calaguas from deep. No good. Rebound by number 7. Nakal. Give to Bautista. Intercept by Rosas all the way. 2 points by Rosas. One minute, 10 seconds. Give to number 7. Give to Vergara. 5 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound. Oh, there's a whistle. Foul number 18. Second. Team foul. Number 18. First personal foul. Wala pa sir. Second team foul pa lang sir. Remaining time. 1 minute. Number 15, pasok po. 50 seconds. 40 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Vergara. Madriaga. 37 seconds. Remaining time. First quarter. 21-19. 21-19. Royal, dribble the ball. 30 seconds, Vergara. 2 points for number 15. Calaguas from the 20 seconds. 15. Rosas. Oh, there's a whistle. Foul number 3. Royo. Penalty. 15 seconds. Penalty sir, penalty. 2 free throw awarded to Rosas. Hindi, 24 yan sir, 24. May 3 points sir. Ready. 15 seconds remaining time. Wala na po tayo shot clock. Wala. Oh. Number 18. Number 18. Third team foul. Number 18, second personal foul. 15 seconds. 15 seconds. First quarter. Wala na po tayong shot clock. 10. Number 15, jumper. Rebound, Bautista. Pasok po. 5. End of the first quarter. Score po natin 24-23, 1 point lead by Red. Okay, back to the ball game. Score po natin, 24-23. 1 point lead by red team. Pumasok na po si Mr. Collins. Dennis Collins. Rosas. Winning the ball. Give to Nokris. Nokris. Oy! Out of bounds. Blue ball. Tropa. Vergara. Give to number 15. Number 15. Number 15. No good. Rebound. Colmadriaga. Rosas. Moving the ball. Give to Calaguas. Calaguas from deep. No good. Rebound. Oh, out of bounds. Blue ball. Number 23, Vergara. Give to number 15. Oh, intercept. Tapo. Ang sabaw.
Salita kayo sa loob.
Calaguas, dribble the ball. Give to Rosas. Rosas. 15 seconds to shoot. Rosas. Oh, there's a whistle. Foul. Number 11. 10. Personal foul. First team foul. Rene. Give to Madriaga. Jumper. Pasok po. Vergara. Kinaras. Give to number 15. Number 15 all the way 2 points by number 15. 26-25. Rosas. Binigay sa ilalim. Madriaga. Jumper. No good. Give. To number 15. Oy! Wala.
Okay lang yan, balik
Out
depensa.
of bounds.
Balik depensa, okay lang yan.
This game is championship between red team versus Give to Rosas. The middle. Ayun na! Pumasok sa buwan. Tira ni Rosas. 28-25. 3-point lead by red team. Dennis Umuraro. But there's a whistle. Foul. Number Norcris. Bao. First personal foul. First team foul. 28-25. 3-point lead by red team. Give to Teng. Give to Ron. Give to Dennis. Collins. Jumper. No good. Rebound. Sa kanya pa rin. Ako na 15. 2 points. Give to Oy. There is a whistle. Foul. Number 11. 10. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Binabati ko po sa video viewers po natin. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni Rosas. Rosas! No good. Nakuha ni Ken. Give to Dennis. Here comes the blue team. Dennis. Collins. Give to number 23. Give to 10. Jumper! 2 points. By 10. Labang na po ang blue team. Remaining time, 7 minutes. Second quarter. Rosas. Give to Calaguas from deep. No good. Remember number 15. Here comes the blue team. Number 15. Number 15 all the way. 2 points. 31-28. 3-point lead by blue team. Remaining time, 6 minutes, 35 seconds. Calaguas. Bumagpag! Supal, nakuha ng 10. Foul, number 25. Second personal foul. Time out. 34, 28. Official score, correction sa akin. 34-28. 28. Okay, back to the ball game. Official score, 34-28 in favor of blue. Remaining time, 6 minutes, 22 seconds. Second quarter. Bonus free throw awarded to number 15.